In this video, we delve into the best tablets of 2024, showcasing 5 standout devices that cater to a variety of needs and preferences. As technology continues to evolve, tablets have emerged as versatile tools, serving not only as excellent media consumption devices, but also as capable replacements for traditional laptops. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who enjoys streaming content on the go, the right tablet can significantly enhance your experience. We'll explore the unique features and specifications of each tablet, helping you understand what sets them apart in a crowded market. From stunning displays and powerful processors to long battery life and portability, these devices are designed to meet diverse requirements. Choosing the right tablet is crucial, as it can impact your productivity and entertainment options. By the end of this review, you'll have a clearer understanding of which tablet aligns best with your lifestyle and needs, ensuring you make an informed decision in this exciting tech landscape. Join us as we uncover the top 5 tablets that are making waves this year. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos. The Apple 12.9-inch iPad Pro is a powerhouse tablet that showcases several standout features, making it a top choice for professionals and creatives alike. At its core, the iPad Pro is equipped with the M2 chipset, which delivers remarkable performance advantages over its predecessors. This advanced processor ensures lightning-fast speeds and seamless multitasking, allowing users to run demanding applications, edit high-resolution videos, and engage in resource-intensive tasks with ease. Complementing its impressive performance is the stunning mini LED display, which offers exceptional visual quality. With a resolution that brings images to life, the display provides vibrant colors, deep blacks, and remarkable contrast, making it perfect for everything from graphic design to watching movies. Additionally, the iPad Pro introduces a new hover mode feature with the Apple Pencil, enhancing the creative experience by allowing users to see a preview of their marks before making contact with the screen. This innovative functionality provides greater precision and control, making it easier for artists and designers to create intricate details. Overall, the Apple 12.9-inch iPad Pro combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional display quality, making it an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a premium tablet experience. The Surface Pro 9 stands out as a flagship 2-in-1 device, offering exceptional display quality that enhances both productivity and entertainment. With a stunning PixelSense touchscreen, users can enjoy vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for creative tasks and media consumption. One of the key features of the Surface Pro 9 is its customization options, allowing users to choose between various configurations to suit their specific needs, whether for casual use or intensive workloads. Performance-wise, the Surface Pro 9 offers different processor choices, including Intel's latest chips and the powerful Microsoft SQ3, catering to a range of users from casual browsers to demanding professionals. This flexibility ensures that users can select a model that aligns with their performance requirements. However, it's important to note that the Surface Pro 9 does not come with included accessories, such as the keyboard or stylus, which can significantly impact the overall cost. While this allows for a tailored experience, it also means that users must budget for these essential accessories separately, potentially raising the total investment needed to fully utilize this versatile device. Overall, the Surface Pro 9 is a powerful option for those seeking a premium 2-in-1 experience. The Lenovo Tab Extreme is a remarkable tablet that impresses with its large OLED display, boasting a stunning resolution that brings visuals to life with vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Measuring 14.5 inches, this expansive screen is perfect for both productivity tasks and immersive entertainment experiences, making it ideal for watching movies or working on detailed projects. One of the standout features of the Tab Extreme is its exceptional multitasking capabilities, allowing users to run multiple apps simultaneously without any lag. Coupled with stylus support, it provides a seamless experience for note-taking, drawing, or editing, catering to creative professionals and students alike. Under the hood, the Lenovo Tab Extreme is powered by robust internals, including a high-performance processor and ample RAM, ensuring smooth operation even during demanding tasks. Additionally, its impressive battery capacity allows for extended usage, making it a reliable companion for long work sessions or binge-watching your favorite shows. Overall, the Lenovo Tab Extreme combines a stunning display, versatile multitasking features, and powerful performance, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-quality tablet for both productivity and entertainment. the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is a standout tablet that impresses with its stunning AMOLED display, featuring a high resolution that delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks, making it ideal for both entertainment and productivity. Measuring 14.6 inches, this expansive screen provides an immersive viewing experience, perfect for streaming movies, playing games, or working on detailed projects. Performance-wise, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon processor, which ensures lightning-fast responsiveness and smooth multitasking capabilities, allowing users to run demanding applications without any hiccups. This powerful chipset makes it an excellent choice for professionals and creatives who require robust performance for tasks like video editing or graphic design. Additionally, the tablet boasts impressive battery life, enabling users to enjoy up to 15 hours of usage on a single charge, making it a reliable companion for long workdays or travel. Coupled with Samsung's One UI software features, including multitasking capabilities and an intuitive interface, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra enhances productivity and user experience. Overall, this tablet combines exceptional display quality, powerful performance, and long-lasting battery life, making it a top choice for anyone seeking a premium device. The OnePlus Pad stands out as a budget-friendly tablet option that doesn't compromise on performance or features. Equipped with a vibrant 11.6-inch display, it offers stunning visuals that enhance everything from streaming videos to browsing the web. Powered by a robust MediaTek Dimensity processor, the OnePlus Pad ensures smooth multitasking and responsive performance, making it suitable for both casual users and those who require more demanding applications. One of its most impressive attributes is its battery life. The tablet can last up to 12 hours on a single charge, allowing users to enjoy extended usage without frequent interruptions. Additionally, it supports fast charging capabilities, meaning you can quickly recharge and get back to your tasks in no time. For those seeking a high-end Android tablet experience without the hefty price tag, the OnePlus Pad is an excellent choice. It combines premium features with affordability, making it an ideal option for students, professionals, or anyone looking to enjoy a quality tablet experience without breaking the bank. Overall, the OnePlus Pad proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a powerful and versatile device. In this video, we explored some of the best tablets of 2024, highlighting the unique strengths of each device reviewed. The OnePlus Pad emerged as a budget-friendly option, offering impressive performance and a vibrant display, making it ideal for users seeking value without sacrificing quality. The Lenovo Tab Extreme impressed with its large OLED display and multitasking capabilities, perfect for both productivity and entertainment. Meanwhile, the Surface Pro 9 showcased its versatility as a flagship 2-in-1 device, allowing for customization and powerful performance. Although users should consider the additional cost of accessories, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra stood out with its stunning AMOLED display and long battery life, while the Apple 12.9-inch iPad Pro, powered by the M2 chipset, offered exceptional performance and innovative features like the new hover mode with the Apple Pencil. As you consider which tablet best suits your needs, remember to weigh factors such as performance, display quality, and budget. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest tech content, please subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts.